Do you know that your phone is constantly tracking what you do on it? It's also listening to all your conversations. It monitors which apps you use, what you write, and what you search on the internet. These features are enabled by default on every Android phone. In this video, I will show you how to stop your Android phone from tracking you and listening. So, let's start. Open the settings on your phone. Now go to Google. Tap on All Services, then scroll down to Personalize using shared data. Here, you will see a list of apps that monitor everything you do on your phone. These apps also drain your battery faster and slow your phone down. So, I recommend disabling all applications on this list. Now, go back to All Services. From the top right, tap on the three dots, then select Usage and Diagnostics. This feature also collects information about how you use your phone, what applications you use, and send it to Google. Just like the previous feature, it slows down your phone and drains its battery very fast. So, just turn it off. Now, go back to All Services and tap on Ads. This feature collects information about you, including what you write on your phone, what you search on the internet, and even listens to your conversations using the microphone to show you personalized advertising. Scroll down a little and find Reset Advertising ID. Tap on Reset Advertising ID to delete the information that this feature has already collected about you. Confirm by pressing. Now click on Delete Advertising ID. Click on the Delete Advertising ID. After changing these settings, your phone will work faster. It will last longer on a single charge. And most importantly, it will no longer track you.